Common SEO mistakes to avoid. Boost rankings by fixing these errors. Avoiding SEO mistakes is essential for better rankings, user experience, and website performance. Even small errors can prevent search engines from properly indexing and ranking your pages. This video will cover the most common SEO pitfalls and how to fix them. Ignoring keyword research. Effective SEO starts with proper keyword research. Skipping this step leads to irrelevant traffic or no traffic at all. It's crucial to find terms your audience actually searches for and match your content to that intent. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush can help you discover keywords with high search volume and manageable competition. Keyword intent matters. Someone searching "buy running shoes" wants something very different than someone searching "best running shoes for beginners." Use long-tail keywords to target specific user needs. They bring in more qualified traffic and are easier to rank for. Avoid choosing keywords based on guesswork. Data-driven decisions make content more effective. Make sure to group keywords by topic to avoid competing with your own content, which is known as keyword cannibalization. Every page should have a clear primary keyword and a few supporting secondary keywords. Without keyword research, you risk building content no one sees. Keyword stuffing ruins user experience and makes content sound unnatural. Google penalizes this practice. Use your primary keyword naturally, once in the title, first paragraph, and a few more times in the body. Supporting keywords should appear contextually. Write for humans first, not algorithms. Good SEO writing flows smoothly. If your content doesn't match the search intent of the keyword, users bounce quickly. This increases bounce rate and hurts rankings. Before creating content, analyze the top ranking pages for a keyword. Check what users expect: informational, transactional, or navigational content. Relevance is key to visibility and engagement. On-page SEO tells search engines what your content is about. It includes titles, meta descriptions, headers, images, internal links, and more. Skipping on-page elements weakens content performance. Start with a strong title tag and meta description. Make them keyword-rich but concise. Include headers such as H1, H2, and H3 to structure content clearly. Optimize images with descriptive file names and alt text. Add internal links to related posts to improve crawlability and user engagement. Use short URLs with keywords. Avoid dynamic parameters if possible. Make sure each page has only one H1 tag. Title tags and meta descriptions are the first thing users see in search results. Missing or duplicate tags confuse search engines and reduce click-through rates. Write unique, relevant, and compelling tags for each page. Headings organize content and help users skim. Improper use, such as skipping levels or overusing H1 tags, makes pages harder to read. Stick to one H1, then use H2s and H3s logically. Each should represent a clear section of the content. Technical SEO issues. Search engines need to crawl and index your site efficiently. Technical issues can block access or degrade user experience. Ensure fast load speeds, proper mobile display, and working internal links. Use tools like Google Search Console and Screaming Frog to find and fix problems. A technically sound site ranks better and keeps users engaged. Slow website speed. Site speed affects both rankings and user experience. Pages should load in under 2.5 seconds. Use compression, caching, and image optimization to improve performance. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights, GT Metrics, or Web Page Test. Broken links and crawl errors. Broken links frustrate users and reduce trust. Crawl errors stop search engines from indexing pages. Regularly audit your site. Fix 404 errors and redirects. Submit an XML sitemap to help search engines understand your structure. Low-quality content. Content is still king, but only if it delivers real value. Avoid fluff, filler, or content created purely for search engines. Focus on solving user problems. Each page should be original, useful, and informative. Use formatting like bullet points, bold text, and images to enhance readability. Duplicate content. Duplicate content confuses search engines. It can happen from copied pages, printer-friendly URLs, or poor CMS practices. Use canonical tags and avoid reusing the same content across multiple pages. Thin content. Thin content lacks depth or usefulness. Examples include doorway pages, affiliate-only pages, or 100-word blog posts. Expand thin content with actionable insights supporting data and helpful links. Lack of mobile optimization. Over 60% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. If your site isn't mobile-friendly, it will rank lower and frustrate users. Use responsive design. Test on multiple screen sizes. Check mobile usability in Google Search Console. Prioritize tap-friendly buttons, readable fonts, and fast mobile load times. Neglecting analytics and reporting. You can't improve what you don't measure. Track performance with Google Analytics and Search Console. Monitor bounce rate, time on page, and keyword rankings. Use the data to refine strategies and fix weak areas. Set goals and conversion tracking to measure real ROI. Thanks for watching.